Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Suricata IDS on VPS for network threat detection, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by selecting a virtual private server, or VPS, that meets your requirements. Ensure it has sufficient resources for running Suricata effectively. Access your VPS via SSH using your preferred terminal program. Log in with your username and password provided by your VPS host. Once logged in, update the package manager to ensure all existing packages are current. Use the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. Next, install necessary dependencies for Suricata. These typically include libcapdev, libnetfilterqdev, and pkgconfig. Install them using the command sudo apt install y libcapdev libnetfilterqdev pkgconfig. Now, install Suricata itself. You can do this by running sudo apt install y suricata. After installation, it's time to configure Suricata. Navigate to the Suricata configuration directory with cd/etc/suricata. Open the suricata.yaml file using a text editor of your choice, like Nano or Vim. Use the command sudo nano suricata.yaml. In this file, you can customize settings according to your network environment. Make sure to set the appropriate network interface. Find the AF packet section and specify your network interface, typically F0. Once you've set the interface, save and exit the editor. To test the configuration for any errors, run the command sudo suricata tc/etc/suricata/suricata.yaml. If no errors are found, start Suricata with the command sudo system start Suricata. Enable Suricata to start on boot by executing sudo system enable Suricata. Next, verify that Suricata is running properly. Use the command sudo system status Suricata to check its status. To start logging, configure the output format in the suricata.yaml file. You can choose to write logs to JSON, FAST, or EVE formats. For beginners, the EVE format is recommended for its readability. Now, review your logging settings by exploring the logs in the /var/log/suricata directory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.